And I'm Josh.
Welcome back to Stiltner's Go Off.
Today we're offsite, working on my brother-in-law's truck, the GMC. I can make remarks about this truck and others, but we're going to be nice on this channel. He's behind the camera right now making faces at me, by the way. So today he's got a locked up brake caliper. We're going to go ahead and replace it with a new one. I'm just going to go ahead and say that I'm not certified in this by any way. I've taught myself and had people show me along the way, just as I'm doing to him. So there's going to be ways that I do stuff that people's going to sit there and say, you don't do it that way, or I know a way to do it that way. That's fine, that's cool. I know my way, it works, and that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to go ahead and start off by pulling the tire off, wheel and tire, and then we're going to break the caliper down, we're going to get it off, get the banjo bolt off, and slap a new one on there. Ready to go for this? All right, it's ready to go for you. It's just like the wheels on the S2000. While he's doing this, if you want to go ahead and smash that subscribe button for us, comment and like this for us, that'd be amazing. We're also on the verge of trying to get to 500 subscribers and 1,000. At 500, I shave my head bald. At 1,000, I shave the beard and the hair. So, got that to look forward to. I promise you, it don't look good. Got the lug nuts off, we'll go ahead and pull the wheel off. I got it. He's nice enough, please put it on pavement for us. Alright, now since we're on the caliper, like I say it's two 18mm bolts. We're going to go ahead and take those off to be able to pull the old caliper off, and we'll get the banjo bolt off. Swap his caliper, swap his pads, bleed the brakes, and we should be good to go. You want to go ahead and push the button for me? Squeeze it. All you gotta do is squeeze it. There you go. Right there. Up, up. Go. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Bolt one. Remember that's the top one. Some cars are different sizes. All right, squeeze trigger again. All right, that's good. We got the top and bottom bolt off. That's not that. There's a piston. This one's got two pistons in it. And when you push the brake pedal, fluid goes through and squeezes that piston. That pushes the pads on the rotor to stop it. Right off. So there's that. Here's our new caliper. We got some brake vest from the good old O'Reilly. It's nice and shiny. They looked like they went for a dark gray color. If it's me, it went yellow. Just saying. It's not my truck. So we'll go ahead and put in the new hardware on it, old pads. We'll slap it on here. Bleed the brakes and we should be good to go. Yeah, buddy, push the button. And then we'll take the socket and we'll go ahead and snug it down this way. All right, Jayce, we'll go back here. I'll snug it.
Okay.
All right, we got them snugged down. The bolts are now snugged down, so we're going to do is put the banjo bolt back on, new washers. We already topped the reservoir off fluid, and we'll go ahead and get it started up and start bleeding them out. So that's got a hole in it. So that's a hole up here.
Yeah.
This thing will feed fluid through that hole and shoot it in there.
We just struck the keys, so when we're done, we can go on a test drive.
Yep. So I got the banjo bolt and copper washers. We're going to go ahead and throw them on. So you can do this. You look and see which way it's domed.
Okay.
Alright. You dome it inward,
Okay.
like that. You put it in
That.
the flange, and you take this other one,
Okay.
same way of that, and you want it to sandwich banjo bowl. Alright, we got the new caliper on, fully installed. We're gonna go ahead and get him up the driver's seat, get it started, and we'll go ahead and start the bleeding process.
We can.
Start it. Alright. Now start pumping the brake pedal. Out, in, out, in, out, in, and hold. When I say hold it before like that, okay? When I say pump, go in and out like that, and when I say hold it to the floor, okay? Okay, pump it. All right, hold. Pump. Hold. Pump it. 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 All right, let off. All right, cut it off. We just got finished bleeding the brakes, so we'll let him get out and we'll go ahead and put the wheel back on. All right. Now take it, go to the bottom one. Go to one of your bottom sockets.
One of them will miss.
I know, I'll get it on there. Make sure you're seated. There you go. All right, next one. Is the socket stuck on there? All right, now look, if your socket ever gets stuck, here's a little trick I learned. Nope. You put it in reverse, you just tap like that, and then wiggle. It'll come out. All right. Seat that one. Get it in there. All right, now hold up. That's where you can mess up at. All right, go ahead and hit your button again. Hit the button again. There you got it locked. All right, go up to this one now. Send it. There you go. There you go. All right. Hold up. Try and get my fingers. Go. All right. Now we'll go ahead. We'll try to get this one go again. The way it's sitting, it didn't want to go. All right. So now, remember, we just stopped on this one, right? So we'll go down to this one. All right. We're going to do this one. We're going to do this one. And we'll go to this one. All right. Go. We need a center cap. Always make sure the center cap's seated or you'll lose it going down the road.
What?
What? You're supposed to say, welcome to Stiltner's Garage, and then I go and do my spill.
No.
Then how we doing it? We gotta walk in together. You ready? All right, let's go. It's easier for me to clip it out